Hello and welcome to Volkswagen Van Centre Liverpool. I'm Rachel and today I'm going to show you around this Volkswagen Transporter T32 Leighton Kombi Conversion Pro finished in midnight black. It is powered by a 2-litre diesel engine with 8-speed automatic transmission. It stands out with 20-inch Leighton alloy wheels, Cobra lowering springs, a front splitter, side skirts and a rear spoiler, giving it a bold and sporty presence. A heated windscreen and power adjustable heated exterior mirrors enhance everyday usability, while automatic headlight control adapts to changing lighting conditions. The Premium Plus parking package includes a 360 degrees camera system with front, rear and side cameras, supported by front and rear parking sensors. The load space can be accessed through the tailgate and has lashing rings to secure your cargo. Leather trimmed seats add a premium feel, with 3 rear seats featuring armrests and a fold down centre section with integrated cup holders. The rear passengers will also benefit from integrated sunblinds. Inside, the style interior trim adds chrome detailing and is complemented by green tinted heat insulating glass in both the cab and passenger compartment. You'll benefit from electronically controlled air conditioning and heated front seats. There is storage throughout the cab to keep your belongings secure, including a dedicated compartment for glasses or sunglasses. There are USB ports throughout the cab and a wireless device charging pad. Practical touches include a rear view mirror camera with dash cam functionality. The heated, leather-wrapped multifunction steering wheel gives you easy access to features such as adaptive cruise control for relaxed, long-distance driving, and you can also navigate through the digital cockpit, which displays vehicle and driving information in a customizable way. The media system gives you easy access to features such as DAB digital radio reception, a Bluetooth mobile phone interface, Volkswagen App Connect for seamless smartphone integration through Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, and an integrated navigation system. From the screen you can also view vehicle and driving information, adjust your climate controls, and make the most of your camera and parking sensors whilst manoeuvring, as well as much more. This has been a presentation of the Transporter T32 Leighton Kombi Conversion Pro that is now available to purchase from Volkswagen Van Centre Liverpool. For more information, please get in touch with our sales team.